Hi, I'm Leela and welcome back to Iconic London's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do a mermaid skin look. Mermaid skin is all about creating that wet look and glowy skin that you get when you come out of the ocean. I am obsessed with these kind of looks, especially for holiday. First, we're going to use the Radiance Booster in the shade Caramel. This is one of my favourite products because it just makes your skin look so glowy and healthy looking. I love this product because it's the perfect lightweight product to build a nice gorgeous glow base. It's perfect because it adds that little bit of colour to the skin so it evens out your skin tone. I am obsessed. Next, we're going to use the Illuminator on the high points of my cheeks. I love the glowiness that this gives on my skin. Can you just see the difference? It's absolutely insane. It just melts into the skin like a dream. Honestly, there is nothing like this Illuminator. It's so beautiful. To set the face, I'm going to add some blush. I have to swatch these for you. These are absolutely stunning and they have such a nice glow in them. Just placing the blush on my cheeks towards my temples and then a little bit across the bridge of my nose just to give me a little bit of a sun-kissed glow. And then finishing by adding the highlight shade to the high points just to show off the glow even more. To finish off my mermaid skin, I'm going to use the Prep Set and Glow spray. This really is a summer staple and the smell is just gorgeous. I also love to spray this on my neck and body. It gives the most gorgeous glow that lasts for hours. So I've just finished off the look with a little bit of mascara and lip oil, and this is the finished look. I am so obsessed. I feel so beach ready. I feel like a mermaid. I've got my mermaid hair. I've got my mermaid skin. I am literally ready for the beach right now. This is so simple and easy to do. So if you're looking for a really nice, glowy, easy, simple beach routine when you go on holiday, then definitely try this one out. Mermaid skin is definitely in right now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and I'll see you later.